Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to install Footprint application on Windows Server machine. After installation of Tomcat and JDK on Windows Server, navigate to the setup file and right click and run as an administrator. Installation has been started. Wait for a few seconds to appear a new window. Select first radio button to agree license agreement. Click on next button. Select the installation folder and click on next button. Create the Footprints administrator account to log in Footprints application after installation done. Once the all detail added, click on next button. Create the encryption passphrase key. It will help you to change the database password or in disaster recovery. Click on next and browse the folder of installed Tomcat. And click on next button. Select the type of database server. Enter the SQL Server name and SA account password. Allow installer to create database. Create the new password for the SQL Server users. This SQL users will create while creating the database to the tracker in the Footprint application. Copy the Footprint URL and paste into the box. And to the bottom of the window, you can see the entire URL has been generated. To access the Footprint application, and click on Next button. Click on Install button and wait for a few minutes to installation finish. After Footprint installation done, try to access Footprint application by the admin account. Click on the new logo generated. And enter the admin account password which we have created in the beginning of the installation. Upload the new license file to access Footprint application. Thank you.